It's summertime at the Thermal Mermaid, and today I'm going to tell you how to make the absolute most perfect chapstick type lip balm formula, hands down, every time. When we're done with today's video, you are going to know how to formulate your own lip balm no matter what oils that you're using, with a combination of raw, natural ingredients, so no pre-made bases, everything from scratch. The lip balm that I'm going to show you in today's demonstration is a little bit fancy because I'm going to make a CBD infused chapstick style formula. Now, if you want my formula in this demonstration and you want an in-depth tutorial on how to properly infuse CBD into your moisturizers, the tutorial is up and ready for our members to view right now. If you're already a member and you want to find it, just go over to the recipe directory at cottagediy.com and you can look in either the CBD and hemp oil category or the lip cosmetic category. I've put it in both categories and it's right here on the top titled CBD Infused Lip Balm. Okay, so if you want to make a summertime lip balm, you're going to need 3 ingredients: a soft oil, a hard butter, and a wax. And from that point, then we can blend in all sorts of flavors and additives, and you can build on this formula forever. But to get this proportioned exactly so that a hard balm will melt and slide across your skin, we're going to create the proportions of 40% soft oil, 35% hard butter, and 25% wax. Everything else that you decide on will be subjective to your preferences. So if you want your soft oil to be grapeseed, almond, or soybean, all of the light liquid oils, they are perfectly fine. Your hard butters can be cocoa, mango, even shea. And your wax can be beeswax or candelilla. And yes, you can even use any of the cosmetic e-waxes. They are all fine. Now, you will get slightly different versions of texture and quality depending on what you choose. But if you stick to these ratios, you will get a successful formula every single time. The only thing that we need to do is melt these 3 items down and make sure that we reach the melting point of the wax, which is the slowest to melt. And that's going to be around 150 degrees, depending on which wax you've chosen. And then when you've got to that temperature, you're going to blend all 3 of these parts together. Once your oils, your butters, and your waxes are married, you can then add in your flavors, any colors if you want, or if you're adding in any vitamins, you can put that in as well. In my case, I'm adding in a CBD isolate powder, a vitamin E, and a coconut flavor oil. And once everything's blended down, you can pour everything so that it's ready to be set up. Now, the balm will take about 10 minutes to harden, but beeswax does take some time to cure. So overall, the entire formula will keep hardening over the next day. And the beauty of this oil combination is that it's not hard and sticky. The oil is going to instantly melt on contact with the heat from your skin, and it's going to leave a layer of oil behind. But when it's not in use, it stays in its solid form, and it's even pretty good into the summer temperatures. And that is it. It takes the same amount of time to make 10 tubes of lip balm as it takes to make 100 tubes. So you can whip this together and in no time have a little extra item for your market tables to sell right next to your soaps and your lotions. Don't forget, if you want more tips on creating your formulas, make sure to subscribe to this channel so that you can catch me in my next project. Hi there, I just wanted to take this quick break to let you know that the 2nd edition of Cannabis Cosmetics has been released. In 2014, I published a collection of my CBD skincare products and wrapped it up all with the pertinent resources to find the rules and regulations in your part of the US. Well, a lot's changed in 10 years, and CBD-infused salves and creams are more accessible than ever. The rules are far more friendly than they were 10 years ago, and there have been many more studies that give us more information on how CBD topical infusions benefit our lives, from discoveries of hair growth to healing sun damage. There's just so much more to tell. In the new release of Cannabis Cosmetics, I cover how the laws have changed for small business lotion crafters and where to find updated resources in your local area for selling your CBD topical products. And I have brand new crafted formulas, and I discuss how my formulas are inspired by the newest research. If you're interested in getting into crafting with CBD-infused oils and lotions, this book will take you through how to work with CBD isolate powder as a beginner and teach you how to build your unique formulas. And yes, you absolutely can use any of the formulas that I have in my book for your own products as well. They were crafted especially to help you build your small business. This book is available on Amazon, but it's actually easier to get it than that. A downloadable version of this book is available inside the Thermal Mermaid Soap and Cosmetic course located at cottagediy.com. When you go directly to the CBD category in my recipe directory, or when you go to any of my extensive CBD chapters in my lotion course, you'll find this book waiting to be downloaded for you to have and keep. And then you'll discover that all the formulas inside the book have corresponding video tutorials to supplement your understanding on how to make these boutique quality products. CBD infused skincare is just one fraction of all the content that can be found inside the membership section of the Soap and Cosmetic course at Cottage DIY. You can access years worth of formulations and work for only $12.99, and all of the content is set up to be fully interactive so you can ask questions, leave your opinions, and give feedback publicly for everyone to interact with on each and every formula that I publish. This is an all-inclusive space and everyone is welcome. I can't wait to see you inside and we can get to work on the next skin-nourishing formula.